another interesting video. In this tutorial, we draw and color Daddy Giraffe. First, we paint the head and neck, and then the body of the giraffe.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Wow, a
Down
cute chick.
came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Now it's time to paint the eyes. Nose and smiling lips. After painting the ears, it is the turn of the horns. Wow, it's a magic marker.
The spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
We have completed the hands, feet, and tail of the Daddy Giraffe, and after that we have to color.
The sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Orange color. Giraffe is a tall animal and its food is tree leaves. Its neck is very long because it can easily eat leaves from tall trees. Giraffes live and travel in groups to be more secure. Brown. Green color. Black. Thank you for watching, my friends. See you later.